Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car battery warmers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car battery warmers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Zerostart Silicone Pad Battery Heater. The Zerostart Silicone Pad Battery Heater is a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining cold cranking amps in cold weather. With its slim design, it can easily fit in the battery box or tray. The silicone material used in its construction is resistant to battery acid, ensuring durability and longevity. However, it is important to note that this product is not recommended for use with lithium-ion batteries, nickel-cadmium batteries, battery case material ABS, or in an insulated battery box. The heater operates at 120 volts, with a power consumption of 60 watts. It comes in a universal fit and is equipped with a 120 volt, 15 amp plug. The Zerostart battery heater is not recommended for use at temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Overall, this battery heater provides peace of mind and reliable performance in cold weather conditions. Moving on at number 4, we have the CATS 1160 Magnum Handi-Heat magnetic heater. If you want to protect your vehicle and ensure that it starts up faster during the coldest times of the year, then you need the CATS 1160 300-watt Magnum Handi-Heat magnetic heater. It is easy to install and will fit securely, with a universal fit for all cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, farm equipment, snowmobiles, motorcycles, snowblowers, and chainsaws. Along with warming your vehicle battery, it can also warm hydraulic systems or thaw frozen gutters, livestock feeders, locks, and pipes. It heats about 20 square inches of surface area and features 2 powerful magnets. For smaller applications, such as snowmobiles and small engines, consider the CATS 1153 Handi-Heat 200-watt magnetic heater. CATS offers some of the most popular battery pad heaters on the market, so you really can't go wrong with any CATS battery warmer. At number 3, we have the Aopec Battery Insulation Kit. The reason why we chose this kit as our best insulating car battery warmer is because it does what it says on the box. It insulates your car battery. When temperatures drop at night, this thermal insulation kit will encapsulate your battery, so it retains its stored warmth much longer. It also functions as a heat shield to protect your car battery against excessive engine heat. We love the simplicity of this battery warmer and that it needs no power source. Customers say that it fits snugly around their battery, allowing this thin insulating material to fit most car batteries, even the ones with a tight squeeze. At number 2, we have the Facon Silicone Battery Heater Pad. The reason why we chose this neat accessory as our best car battery warmer pad is because it is a simple, easy-to-install solution to a problem many drivers face on a daily basis in wintertime: starting problems caused by an ice-cold car battery. A heater pad is the easiest type of battery warmer to install. All you need to do is to remove the battery hold-down bracket, 1 or 2 bolts, lift your battery and slide the pad underneath with the power cord facing the most convenient direction. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and you're done. When plugged in, it will warm your car battery from the bottom up, heat rises, and temperature is controlled by a built-in thermostat, unlike other pads. It's protected against overheating and completely safe. It's resistant to battery acid too. We like the fact that this type of battery warmer is so easy to install, anyone can do it. It's nice that if you tuck the power cord away discreetly, nobody will even notice it's there. In our opinion, for safety reasons, all battery heater pads should be controlled by a thermostat like this one is. Customers say that even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, this heater pad performs superbly. They say it's the perfect solution for batteries in tight compartments where a battery wrap doesn't fit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Design Engineering Cell Saver Battery Insulation Kit. The Design Engineering Cell Saver Battery Insulation Kit is one seriously durable product. This tough car battery warmer is made with titanium in its material mix, and it's engineered to be stronger than competing products for better durability and thermal performance. The wrap can withstand as much as 2,000 degrees, making it perfectly safe under your hood. Yet at the same time, it's pliable, can be wrapped tightly, promotes airflow for better performance, and dampens vibrations while it's in place. And when it comes to durability, this product really performs. It traps and neutralizes harmful battery acid, can withstand oils, and won't break down with use. Make sure to install this battery warmer carefully and below your terminals and connectors. If there's any chance of contact, the insulation material can cause arcs or sparks, as the foil side conducts electricity.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.